if you could talk to yourself 1 or 2 years ago, G, anong gusto mong sabihin sa kanya?
Let go. Let go, G. Yun talaga. Let go.
Birthday girl ang kasama natin.
Ay!
My co-host, G Canlas. She's not afraid to look and be silly and stupid.
Silly muna. Silly and stupid.
Ganun din kasi ako.
Yung na-appreciate ko kay G, yung effort. Na-realize ko talaga sa isang friendship, mag-effort tayo, we find time. Sa simpleng salita lang na yun na, how are you? Lalo na kung may pinagdadaan yung kaibigan mo, ang daming emosyon na pwede mong matouch.
What I admire most is her strength. Minsan, hindi ko na alam kung paano niya kinakaya yung mga bagay-bagay. Nasasaktan din ako kapag nasasaktan ka eh.
Yung mga tao na nakakaalam ng story ko and what's going on with my life, I really appreciate na hindi ako iniiwan. Ang motivation ko talaga si Caleb. Yung anak ko talaga. Kasi hindi ako makakapag-alaga, hindi ako makakapag-parent, hindi ako makakapagpalaki ng bata if hindi ako kompleto, hindi ako buo.
Natutunan na natin yung balance of saying the truth in a constructive way.
Hard no. I recognize already that's trespassing my boundaries. It's disrespectful. You're not allowed to do that to me. Walk all over me again.
Ganda nun. Kami yung nag-hug na. Kasi malayo.
Happy birthday to you!
Say What Podcast with G and Abby. Say What Podcast with G and Abby.
Hey, this is Abby Asistio
And this is Gladys Reyes.
for another episode of
Say What?
What? Si Gladys ang kasama natin today. Hello.
Yes, hello. This is Gladys Reyes. Hello sa aking mga ka-Gen Z, Generation Clara. I'm your Speedy G for today, Speedy
Yes.
Gladys. Kaya naman, kamusta na kayo? Andito ako syempre dahil may kaarawan, di ba? Dapat talaga, ako, excited ako ngayon. Dahil talaga naman, di ba? Salamat na marami at ako inyo inibita dito.
Ang galing! Pero Gladys, may guest pa din tayo today.
Ay, talaga?
Oo. In fact, birthday girl ang kasama natin.
Ay!
My co-host, G Canlas, will be our special guest for today.
Yay!
For her special birthday episode.
Yes. Oh, how are you, G?
I'm good naman. Thank you.
Mag-thank you kayo, invite ka namin dito.
Oh, salamat. Happy
We're glad that you're here.
Yeah.
Thank you. It's an honor.
Oo. Pero sa mga viewers na nagtataka, magkakaibigan kaming lahat at si Gladys and G are actually good friends.
Yes.
So,
So, gym buddies.
Gym buddies,
ganyan,
yeah.
paano kayo naging close? Diretso na natin bago tayo magkwentuhan sa iyong life story. Life story.
Para lang may background yung
May
ating
background.
Oo, kasi nakikita
listeners
na
and
nila.
viewers. Yeah.
Parati tayo magkasama,
Yeah,
si
yeah,
What.
yeah.
Kayo naman ni Gladys, how did you become friends?
G, I remember 45th birthday ko, right?
45th birthday. Yeah.
Aha.
I was at her 45th birthday. Tapos extravaganza siya talaga.
Yeah.
Concert ko, as a matter of fact.
Concert siya talaga.
Actual concert.
Actual,
May mini
3
concert.
hours na she was singing. Like her, ano ba yun? You gotta get
May band.
At first I was afraid.
Yeah.
Mga
Ganyan.
Tapos, ano siya, yung nagsasashay siya. Ang naalala ko sa'yo, first time kang dumating, yung may, ano ka, yung catwalk ka papunta sa stage.
Yes,
Like a wheelchair.
Hindi.
May wheelchair.
Okay.
At saka may trail.
May
di ba?
trail,
Ganun
oo.
yung- Parang debut din at the same time.
Debut. Tapos, she was wearing like these really high heels. Tapos, she was, basta sobrang made up. Tapos, first time kita nakita in person.
First time nating
Nag-meet.
actually, kahit siya, first time ko na-meet in
Oo.
person.
Tapos, sabi ko like, ang fun niyang person na ine-entertain niya yung buong events place na
Yeah.
parang siguro 80 people, yung 100 people. Siya yung punong abala. Ganon siya. So, very light yung first impression ko sa'yo.
Yeah.
Tapos, actually, you know what? That was the official time that we met. Pero before nun, may cast party sa dati yung bar.
Yung resto namin din
Yes, in the area.
Brick Road.
Yes.
Yes, in Santa Lucia.
Tapos hindi kami masyado nakapagchikahan. Ang sabi mo lang, hindi mo na siguro natatandaan. Pero sabi mo, umiinom ka ba? Tapos sabi ko, no, not really. But it's okay, I'll get you na lang something non-alcoholic na sweet, ganyan. So yun, I was able to enjoy the night ng naka-sweet drink, non-alcoholic from Gladys.
Kasi pareho naman kami
friends.
talaga, hindi kami umiinom.
Hindi kami
eh.
inumin.
Kaya, so, nag-jive din kami.
Naiba pala ako.
Sa aspetong yun. Hindi, tsaka, parang ako naman, ang Actually, before, parang akala ko nga, medyo parang noong
Oh, yan. Sige, first impression.
Oh, yeah.
Total, nag-ano na naman tayo ng sabi mo first impression mo sa kanya. Ano yung first impression mo, Glads KG?
Hindi kasi, she was very quiet nung una ko siya nakilala. Kaya sabi ko, medyo ano pala siya, medyo ano to, yung quiet lang siya in person. Hindi siya yung, kasi pag napapanood mo siya, di ba, siya Speedy G, syempre, oo, Kika, and all. Sabi ko, ibang-iba pala. Parang naisip ko tuloy, di ba yung mga komedyante, more on ganyan. Parang akala mo patawa sila ng patawa, pero in person, para seryoso sila. Or yung iba nga napapagkamalan silang, ano ba to, suplado.
Yeah.
So, inisip ko, baka ganun din si G. Well, until
Until na komportable.
yes, oo. Nakita ko, ay, parang halos pareho kami.
Mamaya pag-usapan natin yung actual friendship na nagaganap sa ating lahat. But ikaw, hindi ka ba na-intimidate? Kasi nga, siya si Miss Gladys Reyes.
Oo.
Kung ikaw feeling mo, serious siya, sa nakikita mo sa TV, makulit, ganyan. Ikaw na mukha bang feeling mo, naku, baka suplada siya, baka ayaw niya sa akin.
Alam mo, hindi talaga, Glads. Kasi ang maganda sa kanya, I think admiration mas nag-build up siya pag hindi sobrang entitled yung tao sa status nila. Hinahayaan ng tao na yun na mag-speak for itself yung accomplishments, hindi niya kailangang i-impose.
Yeah.
Ganon si Gladys. Yung parang like, I know of her accomplishments and they really embody her. Tapos, bring out the smallest violin. Pero pagkausap mo siya bilang kaibigan, out the door yung status. Kumbaga, siya, pakatotoo lang. Yun yung gusto ko kasi hindi kami, ewan ko hindi tayo maarte. Yung people would just think we are kasi nag-i-English or whatever.
How do you mean?
Kayo yun
Pero hindi talaga. We're not. We're really not.
Yes.
Actually, kahit nung nag-guest siya sa yung isang pilot episode na ginagawa. Di ba? Sa yung may mga unan, nandun tayo sa pantry.
Yes.
Tapos, nung una hindi ko rin alam kung paano ko kakausapin si Gladys kasi first time ko siya
Wait,
makakachika.
first ba yun
First time
natin?
natin.
Talaga?
Oo. Tapos, naman, sobrang drive
Very
naman
chill.
yung conversation. Sabi ko, okay, she's easy pala to
Wow,
talk
first
to
pala yun.
and get to know.
Yeah.
Ako, first impression ko naman sa kanya, kasi sobrang talented niya as a person.
Wow.
Na-meet ko siya sa church, sa Talents Inc., parang talent group namin. Tapos alam ko na dancer siya ng All Stars. So, mahilig siya ganyan. Tapos nung naabutan ko siya na sumali pa siya sa sa bench body.
Yeah.
So, rumarampa siya ng naka-bikini. So alam ko na okay, super artist mode to. Pero nung nakasama ko na naman siya, very chill and easy to get along with din. Natarayan ba ako sa'yo? Parang hindi naman.
Hindi,
Hindi
parang
naman.
walang aura na gano'n.
Oo, wala. Kasi very, ka rin naman, amiable. Oo. So, yung mga first impression natin,
Lovable.
ganon. Pero now, ayan. So, as actual friends na now, how many years na bali kayo friends ni G?
Parang
Di ko nga, mga
4 years.
Yan,
Yeah,
turning
4 years.
4 years.
Nakakailang birthdays na din tayo na
Together,
nagsiselebrate.
yes.
Together.
Oo.
Tayo naman, more
17!
than...
Really?
ba?
Oh,
17 years.
Oh, kasi 2008 eh. So,
Yeah.
15 years. Sa 18 years.
Buti friends pa tayo.
Salamat, buti ka
We're
nagpatayo.
very happy.
I'm so happy pag nakakabalita ako ng ganyan ang tatagal ng friendship.
Matagal. So, bilang friends niya for quite a while, I think with this birthday episode, we really want to get to know you, not just a celebrity, yung Speedy G or G Canlas na nakikita ng mga tao,
Yes.
pero who you are as a woman, as a mother, and as a friend.
Yeah.
So, dun mo tayo sa friend. Since dun natin inumpisahan, what type of friend is G for you? How would you describe her?
Ako ang mag-describe sa kanya? Well, oo nga naman kasi syempre, diba, baka kung siya magde-describe sa sarili.
Alam mo, ako bilang kaibigan, napaka-ano ko eh.
Teka lang.
I give my all talaga eh.
Nag-angat ng bangko.
I give my all. Oo.
I give my all eh.
Hindi, kasi si G kasi, yung talaga iti-take time niya na pag-usapan natin tong matter na to, ganyan. Yung, she'll give you her time para i-discuss talaga kung ano yung mga dapat i-discuss, ganyan. So, ako naman, na-appreciate ko yung mga ganong talks namin and yung mga, even, kasi syempre, marami na rin kaming mga napapag-usapan na personal talaga, di ba, sa isa't isa. Even yung sabi mo, kumbaga sa baby pa yung aming friendship. Pero, ang nakakatuwa kasi doon is, Hindi yung, kahit na minsan, medyo matagal kami hindi magkikita o mag-uusap. Pero as if yesterday
Parang
lang
ganun
kami
lang din.
kasama. Yun.
Yeah. I think that's one of the nicest things about quality friendships. Yung hindi mo kailangan i-maintain.
Yeah.
Yes, you can put the effort when you say maintaining, pero hindi yung nakakapagod. Yung
High maintenance.
High maintenance. Yung parang pag feeling mo, pag di nagkita after a while, yung magtatampo ba to? Or okay pa ba kami? Yung
Yeah.
at ease ka lang na, andyan, pag nagkita, it's still as is.
Parang ka ba kayo sa isa't isa as friends?
Yeah. I mean, there are times, ako naman, important sa akin when you say stuff with love. Kasi anything you say with love, papasa for me.
Yeah.
Like, I mean, even if the thing that you're hearing is hard to swallow or mahirap siyang pakinggan or, like, it's painful to hear. But when you know this person cares, hindi yung para lang, I don't know, like, am I right? Yung parang para lang makapagsabi ng, makapagbato ng something.
Kasi feeling ko sa friendship natin, yun din yung pinaka nagustuhan ko. Kasi people see us, we're very happy, makulit, parating kengkoy. Ganun yung friendship namin. I mean, if there's one thing that I like about being G is, she's not afraid to look and be silly and stupid. Kasi I have that side also eh.
Buti inuna mo yung, she's not afraid to look stupid.
Yun, simula.
Silly muna. Silly and stupid.
Sinadya ko sa utak ko yun, parang hindi masyadong Pero meron din, ganun din kasi ako. So medyo, din ako, parang may pagkabaliw din. So in terms of our friendship, considering that we are in our... ilang taong ka na nga ngayon?
18.
We are, hindi, 30, late 30s, charot. Parang, aalagaan ko pa rin yung pagiging childlike ko. Pwede pa rin akong mag-enjoy, maging makulit.
Yes, yeah.
Oo. Tapos, pero on the other side, I liked what you said, in terms of speaking with love. Kami kasi marami na rin kaming naging arguments and disagreements. Pero I'm glad na okay pa rin tayo.
Yeah.
Kasi natutunan na natin yung balance of being not even critical, but saying the truth in a constructive way.
Yeah.
Oo, tapos nalalampasan natin.
Yung hindi mo ina-abandon yung consideration sa isang tao.
Yeah.
Kumbaga, kung may discussion man kayo, healthy naman yung discussion na yun.
Yes.
Diba? And yun nga, constructive naman kung may mga criticisms and all.
Yeah.
And kumbaga, alam nyo yung tanggapin yun sa isa't isa.
Yeah.
And gusto ko lang ihabol, napaka low maintenance niyan, di ba? Kasi, ang daling pasayahin.
Actually.
Basta yung dessert lang. Alam, sweet tooth yan. Maraming hindi nakakalam siguro. Sa katawan niya pong yan.
Ay!
Sweet tooth po siya. Kahit anong matamis, kakainin niya.
Ito nung kasi, birthday week ko to. Okay, hindi siya birthday, it's a
Okay.
birthday week.
Okay.
So the other day, my sister knocked at the door and she's like, "Ate, padating na yung caramel cake mo." I went to her and I'm like, "Thank you." Naiyak ka? Naiyak over a cake. But it's the appreciation.
Oh, tsaka like what I said nga kanina, parang, hindi yung joke, yung parang, I give all. Kasi parang ganun din ka as a person, even with friendship. Minsan nga ako yung napapaisip, bakit hindi ako, kunyari, yung sinabing chocolate cake, yung iniisip ko mag-enjoy yung tao or magiging grateful. Pero yung reaction niya, over the top na, parang, ganun ba kaganda yung ginawa ko? Kasi, give ka all out. Ganun ka rin
Yes,
mag-receive and to show gratitude.
Ayan, actually, in layman's term, OA. Kaya pagka-OA. Hindi kasi talagang mapaparamdam niya sa'yo na na-appreciate niya. Oo, kung ano mo yung binigay mo, ginawa mo for her. And same with, ikaw kasi parang, di ba, hindi naman tayo pare-pareho ng paano natin magpakita. Para tayo magpakita ng appreciation. Meron nga parang simple lang, pero sobra pa lang, di ba? And deep inside, touch na touch siya. Pero hindi masyado nagpapakita. Pero si G, wala siyang pakialam. Ipapakita niya talaga. Same with kung araw na yun, devastated siya. Ay, talagang ganun din. Di ba?
Actually, what
Very
you see is what
transparent.
you get, no?
Yes.
Oo. Nag-agree ka ba sa mga sinasabi namin? Kung
Yeah,
nagustuhan
agree. Pero iba ako pag trabaho. Oo, kasi pag trabaho, alam mo yan,
Oo.
ganon. Parang walang ano. So, pero with the people I trust, I when I'm very comfortable to alam mo yun, be myself, which is yun nga, very handful lang talaga yung mga tao that I trust. Yun yung I like na I can just be goofy or I can be, alam mo yun, sad if I need to be, ganon. Because that's a safe place to be in.
Yeah. So, given how many years ka na rin naman in planet Earth? pagdating ba sa, since mga viewers naman natin, friends din natin, just so they get an insight of what kind of person and friend you are, ano yung pinaka-binavalue mo sa friendship ba? At saka ano ka ba? Big circle? Small circle?
You know this.
Gusto mo kunwari, hindi ko alam. Siyempre, hindi kita.
You know this.
Oo.
For me, small circle each and every time. Small. Because, hindi ko naman iniisip yung sarili ko na, oh, you should feel so blessed that you're in my life. Ganun. But, kasi premium comes with yung selected. Hindi siya premium for all. You know? And sa akin, over the years dati, nung people-pleasing years natin, yung gusto ko madami, gusto ko ang daming kinakamayan. Ganun. But
Saka
Dami
gusto ko ng
kinakamayan.
lahat, yung na-hurt ka kapag parang ayaw niya ako.
Oo,
Dati
oo,
ganun
oo.
eh.
Dati ganun yung concern ka pa. Ngayon, parang
Affected.
affected. Ngayon, parang na ako yung, whoever wants to stay can stay. They don't wanna stay, the door is open. Ganun. So, ganun siguro with my friendship. Parang, if I'm sure you guys can tell, parang, for as long as you guys want to be here, I will completely give out talaga yung effort. Ganun siya talaga. Kasi, iniisip ko, that's how I wanna be treated. So, yun yung lalabas ko.
Alam ko, gym rats na kayo.
Oh, yes.
So sa gym, since yun, pag-usapan natin, I know that you guys consistently see each other and work out together. How was that
Yes.
experience? Na nakikita niyo yung isa't isa sa mga hirap-hirap na
Hapong-hapo.
moments, hapong-hapo,
Oo.
pawis na pawis.
But I think, alam mo, ang aside from that, sige, physically, di ba, yung into fitness kami and all. Pero aside from that, parang tingin ko, nakadagdag yun doon sa friendship namin.
Yeah.
Kasi we see each other, di ba, na almost every day or 3 times a week, ganyan.
yeah.
Tapos after that, minsan yung meron pang, alika, ganito. Minsan
Breakfast.
magdadala siya ng bread, ganyan. Sabi nga sa'yo, mababaw lang talaga, madali ang pasayahin eh. So minsan, yung gano'n, magkakayayaan, or minsan mag-ano siya na, alam mo, try natin tong ganitong bagong resto dito, ganyan-ganyan.
Yeah.
So, nakadagdag yata talaga yung doon sa, nag-into fitness kami, nasabay kami ng isang gym ang pinapasukan namin. And by the way, hi Coach Jel, ayan,
Hi,
aming coach.
Bodies by
Bodies
Gel.
by Gel.
Bodies by Gel, hashtag siya ang nagbansag nun, Bodies by Gel. Kaya nakakatuwa na siguro meant yun na mangyari para mas lalong ma-update kami sa isa't isa
Yeah.
at makatulong yung fitness dun sa, di ba pagka you feel good about yourself,
Yeah.
di ba?
Yeah.
Ano man yung mga pagsubok sa buhay mo, di ba? O kung minsan, may mga, sabi nga, parang yun, small wins na kagad yun eh. Pagka nagawa mo yung pinapagawa ni coach sa'yo at hapong-hapo ka, hingal na hingal ka, parang proud ka sa sarili mo. di
Na
ba?
na-achieve mo siya.
Ako sobrang proud ako kay G.
Ay!
Di ba? Yung mga pabuldit na.
Pabuldit.
Kasi ito, hindi na kailangan. Pabuldit. Ito, pabuldit.
Kasi
Papuwet.
nag-start ako talaga sa
Pampangan.
gym. Yun yung clear goal ko. Sabi ko, coach, pabuldit naman ako. Konti kasi
May
talaga.
sinasabi ka parati, bada-bada buldit. Ikaw ba yun?
Maragula buldit.
Oo.
Kasi pampangan yun. Di ba? Malaking puwet. Oo,
Oh, lagay natin
yun
dito.
nga.
Ayan.
Buldit is puwet po sa
Yeah.
Kapampangan.
Yeah. So,
Kapampangan ako eh. Kaya minsan niloko siya. Pag may workout siya, tapos nakagano, hi, I see the buldit already.
in today's buldit video,
Yes, oo. At ako na-appreciate mo kay G as a friend. In your almost 18 years of friendship, na-appreciate.
Actually,
Kasi ako na-appreciate ko na yung buldit niya.
Oo. Hindi, pero in relation to the buldit, I'm sure kasi what I noticed then after going to the gym is yung mas naging positive ka and yung
Endorphins.
outlook mo.
Endorphins.
Oo, endorphins. So, in relation to that, what I appreciate about you is, minsan siya na yung nagtatampo sa akin pag kunwari may mga sinasarili ako na problema or issue. Na parang siya yung nagsasabi na, as
Hindi mo
a
sinishare.
friend, I wanna be there for you. Parang, yeah, I may have own stuff that I go through, but you have to, kumbaga, hiwala yun sa kung paano tayo as friends. Ikaw, every time na feeling mo you need someone to talk to or to be there, nandito lang ako. Yun yung parati niya sinasabi. And so, ako, na-appreciate ko yung fact na alam ko na ano man ang mangyari. Kasi I try to deal with stuff on my own as much as I can. Pero pag lumalampas na I really need someone to be there for me, alam ko na siya yung una kong pupuntahan. Grabe, iyak na.
papaya ka ba tayo?
Grabe. Oo, ano ba?
No, kasi at the end of the day, I kinda like yung phrase na sinasabing she would take a bullet for me, yung ganon. Kasi very, very few people can you say na, okay, if, syempre you don't wish that to happen, pero, I mean, very few people you would consider would do that for you. So, that's why you exert the same effort.
Tsaka sometimes hindi naman literally, di
Oo,
ba?
hindi
Na
naman
magpapabaril
literal.
ako.
Yeah.
Pero yung ibig lang sabihin nun, ano man ang mangyari, di ba? Yung makakaasa ka na ipagtatanggol ka o merong tao talaga who
Or I got
stand
your
by
back.
you, di ba? Yes.
I got
oo.
your back.
Yes, oo. Pero kung yun ang pinaka na-appreciate mo kay G, what do you admire most?
What I admire most is her strength.
Ah.
Totoo. Alam mo, minsan, hindi ko na alam kung paano niya kinakaya yung mga bagay-bagay.
Naiyak na si G.
Hindi, totoo. Kasi, nasasaktan din ako kapag nasasaktan ka eh.
Siyempre.
So, yun yung pinaka-ayokong nakikita. And, through that, na lalampasan mo pa rin. And you still, eto, no joke, kung merong on-off sa camera, as long as kailangan niya na magtrabaho, kailangan niya mag-step up sa responsibility, kailangan niyang mag-rise up sa kung ano man, regardless of everything she's going through, she would show up. And she would deliver. Na parang wala siyang dinadamdam. At saka wala siyang dinadalang mabigat. Ganon siya as a person.
So,
And I
talking
really
about professionalism,
admire.
yes, oo.
Professionalism.
Yeah.
Sa kabila ng pinagdadaanan, di ba? Ayun na nga, di ba? Pero ikaw naman, G, how do you, ikaw, payak na si G.
Ikaw muna.
Gusto mo nagka-concentrate ako nung
Habang
tumulo.
nakikinig siya, ikaw naman muna, Glad.
Ano?
Ano naman yung na-appreciate mo sa
Wait,
kanya?
tissue, please, tissue.
Yung na-appreciate ko kay G, yun nga, yung yung effort. Yung effort talaga. Kasi, na-realize ko talaga sa isang friendship, alam mo, kailangan talaga mag-effort tayo. We find time. Diba? Hindi kasi pwede yung mag-aantay ka na lang kung kailan magyayaya, ganyan. Pero yung ikaw mismo, hindi ka mag-e-effort, yung ganyan. Kasi, na-realize ko habang siguro as we grow, diba, older and ano, naiisip ko talaga na minsan mas ma-appreciate mo yung iilan lang na kaibigan, pero yung umi-effort, diba?
Yeah.
Effort para kitain ka,
Yeah.
effort para kumustahin ka. Kahit nga hindi naman madalas nakitain ka eh, di ba? Pero at least man lang just to say, how are you? Di ba? Yung ganon.
Yeah.
Minsan yung sa simpleng salita lang na yun na, how are you? Parang ang dami mong, di ba? Lalo na kung may pinagdadaan yung kaibigan mo,
Yeah.
ang daming emosyon na pwede mong matouch, di
Yeah.
ba? So yun, what I appreciate about her, yung kanyang effort. What I admire about her, her strength, same tayo. Yung pagiging brave niya.
Yeah.
'Di ba? Sa lahat ng aspeto. And first time mom siya syempre kay Caleb, and I see na syempre yung kung paano yung gusto niyang ibigay yung best niya kay Caleb, kung paano yung gusto maging hands-on
Yes.
as much as she wants to, no, kay Caleb. And nakakahanga yun kasi despite syempre working mom siya, 'di ba? Alam naman natin kung gaano kahirap, 'di ba, ang maging working mom.
Yeah.
And para kayanin mo yung lahat ng yun, ang dami kasi iniisip ng nanay.
Totoo.
'Di ba? Kaya nakakahanga yun from one mom to another.
Yeah. Oh, guys. Sabi ko, buti na lang umatras yung yung luha. Otherwise, masisira yung makeup ko.
Pero in relation to that, tama yung sinabi mo na mababaw lang to na tao eh. I mean, it's not hard to make her happy and to make her feel seen and loved. Sa totoo lang. So, I hope the people who would stay in your life, who are in your life, would always see you for that. Na you're a woman who deserves love and gratitude because you give everyone so much.
Tsaka ang dami niyang napapatawa, napapasaya, 'di ba? Kasi ibang usapan yung tawa, parang tawa lang dahil syempre 'di ba, fun ganyan. Pero yung saya, iba rin namang usapan 'yon, 'di ba? At this stage of your life, G, what do you need most talaga from your friends? Kasi I'm sure hindi lang kami ni Abby yung kaibigan mo. Iba-iba kumbaga ng level yung mga friendship kasi syempre kayo yung matagal na, 'di ba? Tayo naman baby yung friendship pero nandun yung
Depth.
talaga yung lalim. Pero sa iba rin mga friends mo, just so, baka nanonood sila. What do you need most from us at this stage of your life?
Stage of, ito yung sinabi ko kay Abby for 2026, diba? Kasi ko, my word for 2026 is presence. And I want to be present with for the people that I love. And I would appreciate more presence from the people that I love back.
Yeah.
Kasi life is short. We say that all the time. And we don't nearly say enough how, kaya ito, you don't know how much this is filling my cup. Kasi I don't no, I don't really have a lot of people on my corner pag mag-isa ako and I'm going through stuff. So, yung mga tao na nakakaalam ng story ko and what's going on with my life, I really appreciate na hindi ako iniiwan and hindi man parating kasama, but I feel the love and support in spirit. So, for me, yun yung mga things that makes the whole journey worth it. Kasi, hindi siya pang good time lang.
Yeah.
Hindi siya yung, basta pag magkakasama kasi nagbabonding, or what, which is also great. But, when you're down and you don't see your worth sometimes, but the people who see you for who you are will tell you na, oh hindi, ganito ka, mabait ka, or thoughtful ka, when sometimes you feel like, wait, I don't see it right now. But you guys and my family and people that I've trusted over the years have been real blessings to me. Yun. And it's worth investing. Worth investing for years to come.
Abby?
So, coming from yung support din na nabibigay sa'yo ng mga tao, and like what Gladys and I said, one thing that we admire about you is your strength. Let's talk about your journey so far. We know that the past couple of months have not been ideal, and it really stretched you as a woman. Hindi mo rin naman in-expect yung mga ibang mangyayari sa buhay mo. Pero how do you, kung baga sa support ng tao sa paligid, ikaw, yung support mo for yourself, ano sa tingin mo yung nagbago and na ibigay mo na bago sa sarili mo sa bagong season na to?
I just keep pouring back sa sarili ko. Kasi the past few years, naubos talaga. As in, hindi, I came to a point na parang, hindi ko nakilala yung nakikita ko sa salamin. Or minsan nagpapatawa ako kasi, it's what kept me surviving na lang. Kasi yun yung alam ko lang na gawin. Pero I denied myself to be authentic for so long. I kept myself small and just ganun na lang for so long. Ngayon, parang na slowly na-recapture ko yung essence ko, yung G-ness ko, yung muchness, ko na nakaka-capture ko siya ulit. And iniisip ko, ang motivation ko talaga si Caleb. Yung anak ko talaga. Kasi hindi ako makakapag-alaga, hindi ako makakapag-parent, hindi ako makakapagpalaki ng bata if hindi ako kompleto, hindi ako buo. Tsaka bugbog ako.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sa mga hindi pala nakakaalam, yung company niya, since binanggit mo na yung Muchness.
Muchness Creatives.
Oo, Muchness Creatives. Yun yung pangalan kasi with G, she's just full of life and personality also. And with everything that she does, gusto niya lumalabas din yung uniqueness and spark.
Yeah.
So, it's
Yes.
interesting that you talked about how, di ba, may company ka nga na Muchness, pero at some point, medyo na-feel mo na nawawala yung
Nawala
Muchness
talaga.
mo kahit papaano.
Pero yun nga, that's why it's so important to have people who are close to you, who reminds you na, oy, ganito, and touch ground and really work on your relationship with God. Kasi yun talaga, kumbaga parang, nung ini-recognize ko kung gaano ko kaalagaan ni God, kung paano niya ako create, kung how I am as a person, hindi mo nahahayaan yung sarili mo ulit mawala. Kasi, alam mo na yung paano ka ginawa ni God na, oh, ito si G, ito yung, alam mo yun, ito yung caring na person. Ito yung caring na person, ito yung may spark na person, ito yung palaban na tao, ito yung may backbone. There are certain times in our lives, siguro hindi lang ako, pero to people who are watching na, like you would go through situations and phases in your life na parang nawawala. So, only when you really talk to God and zero in kung sino ka as a person, doon mo siya ulit maaalala na parang wait lang, tas it will, parang
Hindi yung identity mo eh.
Oo, tas parang medyo gaganon na yung shoulders, yung parang wait, nga ito ako eh, may ganon. Laban.
Yeah.
Parang ganon.
Ano yung mga ilang ways that you did to regain that sense of G-ness?
Practice boundaries. Boundaries. Hard no. Hard no. I recognize already, that's trespassing my boundaries. It's disrespectful. You're not allowed to do that to me, walk all over me again. So you put that up, and not to be mean, not to be vindictive, but to show love and value to yourself. Kasi that's the only way you can be whole and give back to other people. So, yun, for me, dun ko siya na I put up my boundaries, not as a wall, not that people can't penetrate, but it's for me to serve better. Kasi I'm coming from a standpoint na sure ako sa grounding ko. Hindi yung parang mag-aalala ako yung paano ko ipiplease si ganito, paano ganyan, ay nasasaktan ba siya? Kasi ganun ako before, yung parang
So parang enough na.
Oo,
of being
enough
that.
na. Kasi parang iniisip ko before, upset siya, dapat ganito. Or galit siya, hindi nagsasorry, or ganyan. So ako siguro yung mali. So I would think how to blame myself to make sense of how other people treat me. I would do that. So now it's like I recognize it na. Wrong is wrong, disrespect is disrespect. Boundary up.
So hindi na pwedeng push over
Hindi
lang.
na,
Kaya,
hindi na talaga.
Tsaka
that's
healthy
good to know.
boundaries naman eh. Sabi mo nga rin kanina, you wanna be the best, not just for yourself, but most especially for Caleb. And hindi mo yun magagawa kung you're giving all over the
Yeah.
place.
Yeah.
The boundaries need to be set.
Yes, oo. Pero to, going back to Honolulu, just to get wow. Hindi, going back dun sa usapan ng strength. Kasi going back to Honolulu, to si Darren kasi. Hindi ka gym kasi namin si Darren. Anyway, yung going back to sa kaninang strength, what we admire most about you, ano yung, ikaw ba na-surprise ka rin sa sarili mo? Doon sa strength na binibigay mo or kumbaga na-establish mo sa sarili mo, despite all this, dati, sabi mo nga, parang nahihiya ka pa, di ba, na magno, kung kailangan magno. Pero ngayon, di ba, inano mo na yung talagang, kumbaga sa'yo, hindi, kailangan iset ko na yung boundary. And same with your strength, di ba? Kung paanong grabing nakakagulat. Ikaw mismo sa sarili mo, kasi kami nagulat.
Natakot nga ako ngayon nung sinabi niya kanina boundaries. Sabi ko,
di ba? At saka hard no.
Oo, hard
Ganyan.
no.
Oo. Kaya nga
Hard
medyo
pass.
sumegway na lang ako doon sa going back to Honolulu kasi natakot ako.
Hard
Pero hindi, ikaw ba?
Seryoso siya eh.
Ikaw ba hindi nagulat? Kasi kami gulat na gulat doon sa strength na pinakita mo na yun.
Oo. Kasi, there are literally, si God, talaga. Talaga. Kasi parang, may mga times, because, yun nga, as someone who's rearing Caleb, taking care of him, lalo na, yun nga, ngayon lang nakakatch up yung anak ko with speech, taking care of his education. Sorry, ito yung naisip ko na daily, taking care of education, the yaya, the work, the pre-prod, the merienda, the tuition, all of these things na nagmo-multitask ka. Tapos sometimes I would run on fuel. Like kunwari with what we do, hindi naman tayo mga accountants na yung autopilot tapos sulat lang. Hindi, you have to pour your artistry and your awareness and heart into your work. So, may times yung I would be working tapos naisip ko talaga, how am I even standing? How am I still, alam mo yun, parang functioning? And still, thankfully enough, may joy pa rin in what I do. And it's really because yung strength na ini-ignite ni God sa akin is inspired. Hindi siya by yung pa-righteous na, alam mo yun, yung pa-preachy, I really feel yung fuel. So even if technically, some would say na what I am going through is overwhelming. Ano pa din siya? Somehow, inisip ko lang, just today. Just deal with today. Kung ano yung kaya mong gawin today, bukas na yung kailangan mo for
One day at a time.
one day at a time.
One day, isang...
Oo nga, thank you
Pelikula po
thank
ni
you again
Miss
for
Gladys.
coming
Of
sa
course.
premiere. Pero hindi, maalala ko yung sinasabi mo. Ang importante kasi, you deal with it. No, hindi yung patuloy mong tinatakbuhan, di ba?
Yeah.
Kasi ang mangyayari niyan, patong-pato na, teka, tsaka na muna, tatago mo na yan. Hanggang sa napuno na, di ba?
Yeah.
So, doon na pwedeng pumasok talaga yung, depression, di ba? And all, na mas mahihirapan tayong mga kababaihan to deal with it, di ba? Lalo na, pag nanay ka pa, di ba? Working ka pa. Ito, hands-on kayo sa production, di ba? Dito sa show ninyo na Say What. So, yung sa akin is, anong gusto mo sabihin doon sa mga katulad nating mga kababaihan na ang dami ring dinideal sa buhay and quietly, minsan aligagana sila, hindi na nila alam paano i-deal ito.
Yeah. For me, I was telling this to you the other day. We're talking about like, di ba, concerns and tasks and chores, ganon. To me, mag-autopilot ka. Totoo. Like, ako, before kasi naka-attach yung emotion sa trabaho. Like, kunwari, I get anxious, upset, or whatever. It still happens sometimes, kunwari, if I start the day kasi na may checklist ako, ito yung gagawin ganito. Pag hindi ko siya nasusunod, oh my gosh, anong oras, hindi pa ako tapos. Ngayon, is more like, 1, done. 2, done. 3, done. Walang emotion, just do it. So, so then you check off the boxes, tapos at the end of the day, you look back, then you let it flood. Yung natapos ko siya. Thank you, Lord. Okay na, natapos ko siya. So, for multitasking moms, yun yung, for me, a mental hack talaga. Mag-autopilot ka na gawin mo lang siya, wag ka munang makiramdam. Kung pagod ka, upset ka, pikon ka, mamaya na yan. Gawin mo muna yung trabaho. Lalo na kung kunwari acting or whatever, ibuhos na lang dyan. Tapos after nun, shut it. Next. Tapos after nun, tsaka ka na lang magpamasahe.
Tsaka in relation to sinabi mo small wins, pag nagawa mo lahat ng checklist, ang sarap din ng feeling na, ay, okay, I feel accomplished today.
Yes.
Sa
I was
totoo
able to do
lang,
that.
isa yun sa nagawa nung gym sa amin. Parang when you start your day with working out,
Yes.
di ba? Parang kaagad may small win ka na for yourself. And you did something for yourself na kaagad.
Exactly.
Imbes na yung laging ka nagmo-multitask para sa ibang tao. Syempre, hindi maiiwasan yung pagnanay ka para sa anak mo, unahin mo. Pero minsan talaga na-neglect mo yung sarili mo. Di ba? So, dun, importante rin na hindi tayo kumbaga, nakukonsensya mga mommies to have a me time, di ba?
Yeah.
Tama.
Okay lang yun. Kasi yun yung yun ang magbe-prevent sa atin para ma-burnout tayo.
Yes, and I really agree with that kasi that's the only time you can give back to your sons and daughters. Kasi hindi ka upos.
Yes, oo.
I'll add to that kasi dati may nag-comment. Hindi ko na sasabihin kung sino.
Sige.
Yung pag sa mga workout, yung parang workout ng workout, hindi naman pumapayat or hindi
may
naman na-achieve
gumanon?
yung goal. Kilala mo yung nag-comment nun? Na parang minsan, like what you're saying, yung act lang of going to the gym and getting a
Yes.
workout done, ang
Effort
sarap
na
na
yun,
sa
no?
feeling
Oo.
Effort na yun. Kumbaga, wag mo i-discount din yung mga things that you do for yourself.
Yeah.
Kasi hindi naman kailangan parating, na-achieve yung destination. Perfect. Hindi, minsan yung just you showing up is
Yeah.
already big.
And we should also consider, iba-iba po ang katawan nating mga
oo
kababaihan,
nga.
di ba? Iba-iba, merong bilis ang metabolism. Sabi ko nga ito, mahalata ka bang mahilig sa dessert? Di ba? Pero kung ano man yung strength ng isa, pwedeng weakness ng isa, di ba?
Yeah.
So, sige, parang kami sa workout yan. Siya, ang galing niya dun sa yung gano'n,
yung gano'n, yung nagulat din ako,
sit-ups,
nagulat
sit-ups,
ako.
yan. Pero merong isang pinapagawa si coach sa legs. Pag ang involved yung legs, medyo
Hina.
mahina siya doon. So, ganun lang yun di ba? Maaaring ikaw, strength mo yun. Yung iba naman, yun ang weakness nila. Ikaw naman, yun ba? Huwag tayong masyadong mag-judge agad.
Yeah.
Dahil iba-iba naman ang katawan natin lahat,
Truth.
diba? Yun. Ito pa rin, about motherhood tayo, no? To Caleb, paano mo gustong i-describe ka ni Caleb? Pag tinanong siya, how will you describe your mom? Paano mo gustong makilala ka talaga ni Caleb as a mom?
Wow. Growing up, pag kunwari tumanda siya, how he wants to see me.
Yeah, how he wants to see you, and also kung pag kami nagtanong sa kanya, kahit sa school kung tanungin siya, halimbawa, isa-isa silang pinagre-recite ng teacher, Caleb, can you please describe your mom?
He did that in school.
And what did he say?
My mom is beautiful.
Talaga. Baka naman tinuro mo na naman yun, sinuro
Nasa sulok,
naman
nasa
ng
sulok.
chocolate.
Sulok. My mom is beautiful. Beautiful.
One by one,
Growing, when he grows up,
Eventually, yes.
Eventually, I want him to see me, someone who he can tell anything to. I want him to see me as a best friend. Yun yung ko talaga. Of course, he will lead his life. He will, alam mo yun, grow and flourish in his own right. But I want to be a mom na approachable. Yung mom na, kasi dahil ngayon nagdudual ako, I'm the disciplinarian at the same time ako yung hugger, ako yung loving, affectionate mother. So, nagbabalance ako with how I treat him. Pero sana ang mangibabaw doon is mahal siya ng nanay niya, hindi ko siya iiwan kahit anong mangyari, and dadamayan ko siya sa kahit ano. Yun. Gusto ko maging vocal siya sa akin.
Very well said.
Pero ikaw, since mom ka din, Glads, paano mo nakikita si G as a mom?
As a mom, aligagang nanay na hanggat maaari gusto niya yung siya lahat para kay Caleb, ganyan. As in, ganito ka literal. Mom, I want to draw. Halimbawa, nasa park, o ano, I want to draw. As in, kahit na nandyan, merong kasambahay o yaya, Mom, ako na po kukuha. Hindi, ako na. Ganon. Diba? Even the simplest, smallest things na basta involving Caleb, hanggat maaari, gusto niya siya.
Yeah.
Yung ganon ko siya nakikita as a mom, Kaya, para sa akin, okay naman yun. Kasi, bakit? Ang bilis pong lumaki ng mga bata.
Yes.
By the time magugulat na si G, baka malapit na sa height niya kasi laki niya. And not only that, yung tipong, mas gusto nang kasama yung friends.
Yeah,
diba?
yeah.
Nakakaiyak na yun.
Yeah.
Kaya ngayon, na-appreciate ko kahit na ang anak ko, eldest ko, si Christoph, 20 years old. Pero he still goes with me sa grocery. Sinasamahan pa rin ako sa grocery. Pag nagpasama ako, sasamahan. Pag may family gathering or out of town kami, siguro, alam mo, it depends din siguro sa pagpapalaki natin. Kailangan siguro yung, hindi naman sa pipilitin, pero dapat maintindihan nila yung importance, di ba, ng family gathering.
Yeah.
Na pag ito, may lakad tayong pamilya, anak, sumama ka pa rin.
Tama,
di ba?
tama.
Family talaga.
Kasi okay, you want to be with your friends, pwede naman siguro sa ibang araw yan, di ba?
Yeah.
Ito yung date na aalis tayo. Sabihin mo na sila in advance naman, wag naman yung bukas na yung lakad.
Yeah.
Di ba? Kasi syempre, we also want to respect their privacy, di ba? Yung time nila with their friends. Sabi mo nga, may sariling buhay na rin yan, di ba? Pero, gusto ko yung na-appreciate ko talaga yung mga anak ko kahit na, yun nga, mag-i-18 si Keisha, di ba? And si Grant, mga malalaki na. Ang baby lang namin actually si Gavin, yung fourth child ko. Pero, pagka may lakad ng pamilya, kumpleto. So, inaanuhan nila, talagang sinisave nila yung day na yun, yung time nila. Kasi alam nila, uy, aalis kami nito.
Yeah. And saka yung si Glads, ang gusto ko sa kanya, very involved din siya sa passions and activities ng mga anak niya. Oh, totoo. Yung the other day, we're asking, saan ba makakabili ng, yung ganon recorder? Turntable, ganyan. Kasi yun yung passion ni Christoph. Ganyan. So, I guess that's really what a mom does. Yung ini-immerse yung sarili sa, interest ng bata.
Di ba gusto naman din talaga natin yung tawagin tayo, ikaw, eventually, gusto mo rin tawagin ka na, uy, my mom is cool, di ba?
Yeah.
Kaya yung katulad noon, isang araw sabi ni Grant, Mom, I wanna check out MOA, di ba? Kasi meron doon K-pop festa, something like that. So sabi niya sa akin, ang cool mo naman, samahan mo talaga. Cool! Sabi ko, why not? Kasi kung may oras naman, hindi naman, wala namang trabaho nung araw na yun, parang gusto ko rin, I would like to think of it as a bonding also with them. Yung a simple thing na umupo kami habang inaantay namin, in-order namin pagkain, nagkukwentuhan, yung ganyan.
Yeah.
Sobrang na-appreciate ko yung mga ganung moments with my kids.
Yeah.
Last na about being a mom, kasi kanina nabanggit mo, parang ganito sana ka nakikita ni Caleb. And I know that Caleb is one of the most important things in your life. Right now, ang daming nabago din sa buhay mo as a mother. And I know that you love fiercely and protect fiercely. Ikaw ngayon, in this season of your life, how would you describe yourself as a mom?
As a mom right now, I'm adapting. I'm adapting kasi I carry so many I have multiple roles eh. So ngayon si Caleb nasa stage siya ngayon na pagbata he would kids would test test authority. Yung parang pag sinabi mo na don't do that ganyan. Tapos gaganon yung don't touch that. Sabi niya. Yung gaganon, di ba? So, ikaw habang gumaganon,
Tinetesting
don't. Tapos, pag tinouch na ganon, ang ko ngayon, self-discovery ko, anong gagawin ko? Papaluin ko ba? Or dahil ginanon, ang cute. Parang ako yung gaganon na lang ako. So, I'm adapting.
Yeah.
I'm evolving. I'm trying to adjust pa. Hindi ko masasabi right now na I'm the perfect mom, but siguro I'm in this stage na double effort on trying.
Most especially now, ang hirap maging magulang sa panahon ngayon na digital babies na ang mga bata ngayon.
Digital.
Diba? Yung kagad sila na-expose agad sila sa, diba, technology and all. Ibang-iba sa noon, diba? Tayo talaga maglalaro tayong habulan sa labas, diba? Piko, or ano man yung taguan. Ngayon talaga, diba, yung technology, napaka-high-tech na mga bata. Kaya, kailangan mo ring mag-immerse and kailangan mag-evolve din
Get
yung
with the
parenting mo.
times.
Pero, yung values, dapat intact pa rin. Hindi mo pwede, hindi nawawala sa uso po ang pagiging magalang at marespeto na dapat natin tinuturo sa mga anak natin.
I don't agree to a certain extent yung gentle parenting. Kasi I would see videos yung parang yung bata, no, I'm not gonna do it. Ganyan. Tapos yung nanay yung parang, Skyler. Tapos paulit-ulit na gano'n na hindi nakikinig yung bata. So ngayon, ang kailangan mong gawin, Skyler! Tama! Kailangan mo mag-man up a little bit to like instill discipline. But, for me, that's how I would describe my parenting right now. It's evolving.
Nasa Bible din naman yan na kung kinakailangang disiplinahin ang bata, di ba? Sabi nga, wag iurong ang pamalo. Pero ang pagpalo, ay yung pagpalo pa rin na may pagmamahal. Hindi yung kahit saan tamaan, tinamaan sa ulo, tinamaan sa, di ba, anong part ng katawan. Pero kasi, minsan kung kinakailangan, di ba? Kailangan na i-consider pa rin natin yun. Pero may pagpapaliwanag after.
Naalala ko lang kasi I guess we're from the same era. Yung mga parents natin may sinturon.
Oo,
right?
yes.
Oo, di ba? So, dapa, ganyan. Kaso nangyari sa akin, dapa, saan ako gagalaw, ganyan.
So, kung saan ka tinatamaan.
Para kasi akong dilag na,
Ikaw yung natatamaan.
ako yung natatamaan kasi pag ganun, dapat sa puwet lang. Kaso pag ganyan-ganyan ka.
Nung bata ka.
Bata. So, natatamaan, di ba? Iba talaga yung ngayon. Ngayon, ang punishment ngayon, if you don't behave, I'm taking your tablet. Ganun na eh.
Oo, aalisan mo na ng
Privileges.
time sa kanilang technology.
Oo.
Pero ang galing yung moms. Ako as a single woman,
Pagdaan mo pag naging mami ka, andito kami.
sige, please.
Pagtanungan mo.
Kasi responsibilities pa lang, yung pag naririnig ko yung mga kwento, sumasabog na yung utak ko. Okay, sige, sarili ko na muna, iisipin ko bago ako mag-anak. But yeah, meron lang tayong quick fire questions na dudugtungan mo or sasagutin mo.
Yes.
Care
oo.
of Miss Speedy Gladys.
So, ito yung parang katumbas ng fast talk. Dito, boy. Di ba?
Asa
Pero
ng
dito,
mirror?
sa say what, ito ang quick fire. Okay? Parang medyo fill in the blanks. Okay? So, at this stage of my life, I value blank. Dot.
Devotion.
Okay. Friendship now means
Now means effort.
I am most proud of myself for
Surviving
this year. I'm choosing more.
of myself.
Yay! Grabe, parang alam mo na yata itatanong.
Hindi ako tumitingin.
Yes, sagot, no?
Oo, parang walang isip-isip, talagang gano'n. At saka swak yung mga sagutan mo, di ba? Dali.
Okay, so in relation pa rin dun sa parang, well, hindi naman to quick fire question. Pero since you value boundaries also, you were talking about
Natatawa ako,
kanina.
natapangan ba kayo?
Oo, napagaling
Hard
ako
no.
eh.
Hard no.
Tsaka wala mang intro, no? Diretso na, boundaries. Hard no, parang, okay. So, in relation to that, parang, I know that peace means a lot to you right now.
Yes.
So, ano ba yung konsepto mo ng peace? And that's also, of course, what we wish for you in this next season of your life.
Peace right now to me, acceptance and contentment. Kasi I don't have everything I want right now. Pero there are times, kahapon I went to the mountains, nag-river trekking.
Trekking.
Tapos nag-photoshoot ako doon sa mga limestones. Tapos habang nagsiset up sila, humiga lang ako doon sa limestone. Tapos I was tearful kasi nakikita ko yung sky, tapos yung ilog. Tapos parang, thank you Lord for my life. Kasi if I just appreciate kung ano yung meron ako right now, yes, there will be plenty of things na dinidream ko pa or gusto ko pang ma-achieve. But if I think about it, I have everything I need right now. I mean, contentment talaga and acceptance. I have people who accept me for who I am, my son. I'm working on my relationship with God. I'm getting fulfillment with my career. I'm happy with where it's going. So yun, I think working on contentment and acceptance.
Tama naman yun. At parang nakikita ko rin naman yun sa ginagawa mo ngayon.
Meron ka bang something that you would want others to know about you na hindi nila alam at this point of your life?
Na hindi nila masisearch sa Google.
Na hindi na masasearch.
Oo.
That I am a solo parent. Yeah, I'm a solo parent. And it's not something I anticipated. It's not something I planned on. But I am accepting and appreciating things that goes along with it and how it's shaping me as a mother, an individual, and as someone who matters to people. I didn't, hindi ko, meron ako kasi in my head, sequence of life na matatapos ka ng school, magtatrabaho ka, magkakarelasyon ka, magkakaasawa ka, magkakaanak ka. Tapos parang somehow hindi ko na inisip yung afternoon. Parang to me, tapos na yun eh. Hindi pala. Meron pang mga twists and turns, may plano pa si God na hindi mo naman inaakala na mapupunta ka doon. Tapos when you get there, your life doesn't stop. You don't say to yourself, wala, I give up, that's it, wala na. Hindi you're not gonna die. You're still gonna be in that corner kung saan ka nag-slump.
Yeah.
Tapos tatakbo yung mundo, nandiyan ka pa rin. And it's up to you if you wanna get up, you wanna do something about your life, be productive, and love the people who love you back. So that I guess is something na may mga nagtatanong, may mga nagme-message, ganyan, ano nangyari, yung iba nakikimarites, yung iba, they wanna say stuff about, they wanna know the tea. But I haven't really said anything, simply because, I feel like it's not yet the time. But I think now is, my time to go back to myself. And yun yung siguro stuff that people don't know yet about me. Kasi they think like she's fine or she's dealing with things, which I am, but I feel like I don't need to announce anything.
Yeah.
Just because people want me to say stuff, but I need to come from a place of ownership and authority. And nandun ako ngayon na okay, let's do this. Yung ganon. Fight, let's go. Ganon siya.
Yun, nasagot na ba yung ano mo? Pero alam mo, I've been telling her kung gaano ako ka-proud sa kanya kasi seeing her now, itong condition niya ngayon and all na alam niya na kung paano mahalin lalo yung sarili niya ngayon, di ba? Na ibinibigay niya na yung deserve na pag-aalaga at pagmamahal ng sarili niya, di ba? Kasi minsan, lalo na siguro if you're a parent, minsan bigay ka lang ng bigay, di ba? Wala kang hinihingi na pabalik. Kasi doon nga natin na naiintindihan yung unconditional love.
Yeah.
Pero if you could talk to yourself, younger self. Yes.
Tito Boy.
Tito Boy.
Hindi, pero hindi, sabihin natin 1 or 2 years ago.
Yung may,
Na G,
na.
1 or 2 years ago ni G. Eto, kinakausap mo siya ngayon as you, na ganyan na yung condition mo. Anong gusto mo sabihin sa kanya?
1 or 3 years ago?
1 to 2 years ago.
Wow.
Yes.
Kasi ang common is child di ba?
Yeah, hindi. Ito.
Ang ganda
yung
naman,
recent
Glads.
Maganda yung 1 to 2 years kasi ang daming
hindi lang, yes, alam namin,
nangyari
di ba,
at
you've been through a lot.
changes.
Yes. Oh. So,
Go. Let go, G. Yun talaga. Let go. Because it's gonna be fine. It's gonna be okay. I will tell yung person na yun who existed 3 years ago that you're stronger than you think you are. You're valuable. And your heart shouldn't be trampled and stepped on because you are loved and valued. And you can rest easy sa fact na, God will, hold you.
Yeah.
Hold you. Yeah. It's gonna be fine.
Yun ang ganon. Ganda nun. Kami yung nag-hug nun. Kasi malayo ka.
Kasi naano kami. Na-touch kami. Pero syempre, we want to end this with, di ba, yung happy note.
Yeah.
So, eto, tayo yata mag-fill in the blanks ba dito? For G
Oh,
naman.
wow.
For G. Tapos yung message natin
Yes,
for her.
yes. So, ikaw muna una ko tatanungin.
Sige.
So, you fill in the blanks, habang nagpunas pa si G ng parang pati ako rin affected. So, ito, G, you are blank, blank, blank. Or that.
Loved. And I say that in relation to what you were talking about loving yourself. Kasi, naalala ko dati, dun sa Gina 3 years ago, yun yung parati kong sasabihin na isipin mo naman yung sarili mo. Tsaka mahalin mo naman yung sarili mo. Ngayon, nakikita ko na yun.
Talaga.
Oo. Not just from other people because a lot of people love you, but ikaw mismo. Ikaw, complete
Ako.
that sentence.
G,
you are?
You are amazing. I am amazed of your transformation. Baka kala na nagta-transition ka. Hindi po yun.
Lalaki po siya.
Babae ko talaga siya.
Actually po, ako pa si
Hindi-
Gino.
Hindi naman yun. Pero Pero yung transformation niya from being, sabi nga niya, yung dati, hirap na hirap siya mag-no, di ba? To being brave. And ganun siya I think that's empowering, Yung, you know when to say no. You know when to say yes, di ba? So, sa akin, gusto ko yung nakikita kong very empowered G. Yun.
Yeah.
So, that's amazing. So, ito naman.
Okay.
What we celebrate about G today is...
Ikaw naman muna.
Sige. O di obviously, her birthday. What we celebrate about G today is her birthday. And
Rebirthday.
Yes.
Rebirthday.
Rebirth. Yes, I was about to say that. Birthday and rebirth, di ba? Yun, tama ko. Ikaw naman.
Ako, I celebrate the kind of woman that you have become. You have come a long way. And I think with 70, iniyak na ako.
Okay.
I think with 17 years of friendship, I have the naman to say na grabe yung pinagdaanan mo at grabe yung nalampasan mo. Yan ang masasabi ko.
You always got my back.
Of course.
Always got my back,
And you
Vish.
always have my back.
I
And
will
I am
always have your back.
And I am so proud of you as a woman, as a mother, even as an artista and as a producer. Because, yes, we were talking about no's, but when she says yes, it's a 100% yes.
Correct.
To whatever
Full
it is.
yes.
That she does to the kind of friend or ka-relasyon or nanay, anak, sister that she is 100% yes. That's the kind of person that you are. And I know na sinasabi natin ngayon, you're strong, you're empowered, nakakatakot, pero
Nakatakot.
pero ako, para rin kitang baby in a sense.
Mama Abby.
Siyempre, ayoko kasi nakikita ka na nasasaktan. At in my, sa abot ng aking makakaya, I want to protect you also.
At gusto ko lang din malaman mo na bilang kasi bago lang kami magkaibigan, di ba? She always mentions your name as her friend, confidant, and all. So, talagang makikita mo, kumbaga, sa harap at talikuran, di ba? Kung paano din yung friendship talaga niya sa'yo. Kaya, I would like to commend both of you. Biro mo, 18 years, almost 18 years, coming to 18th year of friendship.
Yeah.
Sa panahon ngayon at ibilang sa trabaho din natin, napakahirap pong makahanap, di ba, ng totoong kaibigan sa harap at talikuran. Kaya congratulations to both of you. And happy birthday, G!
And right now, let's sing a birthday
Yay! Nako,
Happy
nakainin yan.
birthday
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Yan.
It's so rare. I get surprised with cake.
Happy birthday to you. Hindi.
Ayan. Wish muna.
Wish. Do I say it or no?
Again, kantahan ulit natin siya.
Sige.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ang ganda ng blending natin.
Yay! Happy
Guys!
birthday!
Make a wish.
Do I say my wish or just
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay naman.
A public worthy wish.
A public worthy wish. Okay. Sige, isang public, isang private. Wait muna.
Yan po yung private. Matahimik lang po siya.
Hindi kaya ang private niya eh. Gusto ko nang kainin itong uboy cake.
At
Amen.
Yes.
Amen.
Okay.
Amen.
For private, for public, I thank you for the people that are near and dear to me who are here, and I wish na God will give us more opportunities to enjoy each other's friendships. For the show that we have, I pray that there will be many more experiences you will get to witness with us,
Yeah.
more milestones, and umayos ang buhay nating lahat-lahat.
Yay!
Yay!
Yay! Blow the candles. Oh, magaling nun ah.
Wait, this is a skill. What?
Oh, ASMR. Happy birthday, G!
birthday,
Thank you for having me. Say what? Yes,
Yes,
yes.
Say what? And thank you, the Pod Network, for having us. And any messages for our viewers also, what to expect in the
Yes.
show? And your new season as yourself now, as the rebirthday.
So
Rebirthday girl.
So I hope you guys follow the Say What podcast on all platforms. It's on Instagram, Facebook, but most especially it's on Spotify and YouTube.
Yeah.
We have a weekly episode, so I hope abangan nyo. And also catch House of Lies.
Yay!
There,
Woo!
as Hannah, best friend ni Beauty, ni Marge, and also a bunch of other stuff that we have coming up. Please support. And Glance, do you have anything you want
Yes, this year, I'm entering my Contra Diva era. So, soon, babalik na lang ako dito to promote it.
Yes,
Okay.
please.
But thank you for having me. Of course, my Instagram po, it's I am Gladys Reyes. My TikTok is Real Gladys Reyes. And thank you so much. I really appreciate na ako yung napili ninyo to be your co-host for
Thank
today.
you. Thank you so
Yes,
much
I
for
really
being
enjoyed this. And masarap minsan, alam mo kasi, di ba, magkakaibigan minsan, yung hindi naman kayo nag-uusap ng mga masyadong, di ba? Yung pagka yung, di ba, fan, ano. Pero yung ganito, eto na yung opportunity di ba?
Yeah.
Parang, misa kasi parang nag-chisa yung kayo na, wala tayo lang, nagaganitohan pa tayo. Pero, di ba, pag ganito,
Yeah.
parang mas hindi ka nahihiya to
Yes.
express your feelings at kung ano talaga yung gusto mong sabihin sa kaibigan mo. And we just want to say na mahal ka namin, G.
Yes.
And we appreciate you. Yeah.
Thank you guys!
Happy birthday, G. At kami na ang nag-opening ng show. Maybe you could close our
Yes.
show for our viewers.
Alright, thank you so much guys for watching. Hindi natin alam kung gaano tatagal tong episode na to. But if you made it this far, thank you. And don't forget to watch out for the next one. Till then, I hope you guys have a great night or evening, morning. Bye!
Bye! Say what?
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.